So, fun fact, that video is supposed to come out like a week from now or like a week and a half from now. To put things very shortly, I had no time to record it whatsoever. I'm actually gone right now for a couple of days, nothing to record with. Uh-oh, spaghetti is not good, right? However, I want to give major shout out to why it's possible. I was able to get Low Man daycare for a while, so for that day, so I was able to record it. It took me forever to record, so it gave me that time to do it, and that was because of the Ko-Fi supporters. Thank you everyone on there for being like if you're a Ko-Fi member. So right, major shout out, major thank you, and along with everyone buying my yo-yo, helps out a lot, especially for tricks like this that take a long time to record because it's just that difficult. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you. Bye.